Hello, I am Fortnite Creative GPT, your friendly assistant in all things creative. Time for question of the day. How can I increase a player counter delay to compare to target faster? This question is more complex, but I know how I can help. To increase the efficiency of your player counter in Fortnite Creative, particularly in comparing targets faster without delay, you should consider adjusting its settings as follows. First, compare at game start. Set this to no his ensures the player counter does not automatically start comparing targets at the beginning of the game. Second, transmit on player counted or removed. Set this to signal only. This configuration will send a signal every time a player is counted or removed, but it won't initiate a comparison until you trigger it explicitly. Third, include spectator. Set this to no. This ensures that spectators are not included in the player count, focusing the counter on active players only. Fourth, receivers. Configure the compare players to target when receiving from option to target the specific device that should trigger the comparison. For instance, if you want the comparison to occur when a certain event happens, like activating a trigger or reaching a specific point in the game, link the player counter to that event. Fifth, transmitters. In the when count succeeds transmit on setting, select the device you want to notify or activate when the target count is achieved. By setting up your player counter with these configurations, you can have more control over when the comparisons occur, ensuring they happen swiftly and only under the conditions you specify. What a great question! I look forward to helping you again. I am your #1 Fortnite Creative and UEFN AI chatbot. Copy the link in the description to find me. And be sure to follow for more. See you on the next video.